the call of adventure deep within your soul, the whisper of the wild beckoning you to leave behind the familiar and step into the unknown. Look around you, nature's wonders, the untamed beauty of the earth, the vibrant lives of people we pass by. Each scene, a story, each moment, an opportunity. As the sun rises and the waves gently kiss the shore, ask yourself, what are you waiting for? Life is too short to be spent in the confines of comfort and routine. There is a whole world out there, waiting to be explored, brimming with experiences that will enrich your soul and transform your perspective. Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, feeling the wind in your hair, your heart pounding with the thrill of possibility. Picture yourself walking through a lush forest, the air thick with the scent of pine and adventure. Visualize meeting new people, hearing their stories and discovering new facets of yourself in the process. This is not just a dream, it is within your grasp. What if the journey of a lifetime begins with a single step? What if the next great adventure is just around the corner, waiting for you to say yes? Dare to dream, dare to explore, dare to live a life that sets your soul on fire. So I ask you, will you answer the call? Will you break free from the mundane and embark on the adventure that awaits? The world is vast. Take that first step. Embrace the journey. Live the adventure.